What I do like about Propello is the completeness. So many times you use a system and it's got 50, 60, 70% of what you need, but it doesn't have everything that you need. It might be that it's difficult to download for, or it's not editable, or you can't put your own class details in, or it's only 2/3 of the material is there. But I've been so pleased to access this and be able to see such sort of everything that I've wanted in there, and easy to find as well. I think Propello does offer a really wide range of activities and assessments and interactive nature that could fulfill all students' needs within a classroom. However, using it as part of my teaching portfolio, I found it really good to supplement, particularly for those students who need particular support or stretch and challenge. It's been a godsend in saving time, particularly in terms of planning and having the right resources. And I think that's one of the reasons that I've really enjoyed using it. We do have students who can become easily overwhelmed and find sort of like managing their workload quite stressful. They have very much engaged with Propello because it is almost in chunks, so they can access it and then go back to it. And as a consequence of that, I do feel it's really helped them improve their scores because they have wanted to do well, because they feel that they are confident enough in the materials and happy therefore to sort of like challenge themselves to do maybe more writing than they would have done initially. I definitely recommend it. I think it's very simple to use. I really like the layout that they use on the web page, which makes it so easy to find the information. So I'd be happy recommending it to a colleague because I know how much I have found it useful.